What's your name?
Liam.
Liam what?
Liam Edward Burgess.
Wow. How old are you?
5.
Where do you live?
In America.
In America? Can you be a little bit more specific?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, I like dinosaurs and cool things, and well, I just like seeing all the cool things that I like, and well, let me show them, Missy. Follow
Okay.
me.
Okay. I'll follow. And who's Missy?
That's her. And
Is that your dog, Missy?
no, that's your dog. 'Cause that's Audie's stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to. I want to be 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 a policeman.
A policeman?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do when you're a policeman?
I gotta shoot bad guys.
Oh my goodness. Sounds dangerous.
Why?
I don't know, I just thought that guns were dangerous.
Well, 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 for now on, I go be a T-Rex for Halloween. And it's Spinosaurus.
So you're not gonna be a fireman anymore?
No.
That's in the past.
Yeah. What are these in the
Alright, well, say goodbye.
Bye.
Any last thing you want to say?
Well, I like dinosaurs, and well, well, we'll see you next time on 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 25 years video of dinosaurs.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.